Today, I'm going to show you how to delete a company in QuickBooks Online. The process depends on how old your QuickBooks Online company is. If the company is less than 60 days old, you may be able to purge the company data and start over. If the company is 60 days old or older, you usually cannot purge it. Instead, you would cancel the subscription connected to that company. First, sign in to QuickBooks Online as an admin. Make sure you are in the correct company file before continuing. If your company is less than 60 days old, go to your browser's address bar. At the end of the QuickBooks URL, replace the current page name with Purge Company. Then press Enter. This opens the Purge Company page. QuickBooks will show a warning explaining that this action permanently deletes the company data. Read the warning carefully. If you are sure you want to continue, type Yes in the confirmation box. Then click OK. QuickBooks will delete the company data, so you can start over with a clean company file. Now, if your company is 60 days old or older, the purge option is usually not available. In that case, you need to cancel the QuickBooks Online subscription for that company. To cancel, go to your Intuit account or billing area. Open Products and Billing or Subscriptions and Billing, depending on your layout. Select the company subscription you want to cancel. Then choose Cancel and follow the on-screen steps. Keep in mind that canceling the subscription does not instantly erase all company data. QuickBooks keeps the company in read-only mode for a period of time, so you can still review, export, or print your data. Before deleting or canceling anything, make sure you have exported any reports, lists, or records you may need later. Also, double-check that you are working in the correct company file. And that's how to delete a company in QuickBooks Online in 2026.